Okay, hey guys, the iTouch Hacker 1234 here, and today I'm going to be showing you MSW logo. Um, I know my username is the iTouch Hacker, but I'm not just going to be showing you iTouch stuff here. I'm going to be showing you like computer stuff. It's just a lot of usernames that I was trying to get that like had to do with iTouch and electronics were already taken, so I got this one. And I'm just going to be also showing you computer stuff on this channel also, not just iTouch. But what MSW logo is, it's a drawing program, and it lets you uh, I guess draw. It's like a pen, and you can do straight lines. It's for exact drawings. Now obviously if you want like something really detailed, I wouldn't do it in here, but it actually depends on what you're doing. This, well, I really can't explain it, but you can just see for yourself. So, the basic command is FD. FD means forward, and whenever you type something like FD, you have to press the space key and then type how far you want it to go. So, say I wanted it to go to 100. It will be like 100 centimeters, I think, and then that's how far it'll go. Now the highest number you can type in is 999. It won't go over 1,000, but if you look at 999, it's actually pretty big. Now, the next most familiar term is RT. RT is right turn, and that if again it's just like FD, you have to press space and then how much you want it to turn, and when you type this in, this is what angle. So if you want a perfect right turn, you will type in 90 for 90 degrees, and as you can see the little turtle, what I call him, he moves to 90 degrees. And the next basic command is LT, and LT is left turn, and again 90, and then we can go forward 100. And also another basic command is repeat. So if we wanted to do this square faster without typing this over and over again, right over here, here is halt. That, like, if you're doing something that repeats a lot and you don't want it to repeat anymore, halt will stop it. Trace, pause, status, reset. You really don't have to worry about trace, status, step, or and you do want to kind of focus on pause, halt, and reset. Reset just resets it. Pause and halt are like the same thing, and reset resets the screen to a blank screen. Execute is just like pressing enter, and a doll I'll show you in a second. But repeat, what you do with repeat is you say repeat the word, and then you say space, and you say the number of times. So say, since I've done it 2 times, I want to do it 2 more times to make a perfect square. I'm going to say 2, I'm going to do another space, I'm going to type the bracket key, which is the key right next to the P, and then I am going to type in FD 100 space RT 90, and then close bracket, and then if I press enter, as you can see, I wasn't turned yet, so it made a rectangle. But if I was turned, like if I type, oh, and also a basic command is CS, that clears the screen just like pressing reset. So most of these buttons over here you can use with commands. You can type in a doll and it'll open up a doll, but I'll talk to you about that in a second. But again, if I type in repeat and then 4 brackets FD 100 RT 90 close brackets, make a perfect square, it will do it really fast, so it should just pop up. You won't see it like tracing around it, it'll just pop up. And what a doll is it's where you can write a programming code. I'll show you some programming codes with triangles, and it's where you can type in what programs you want. So you first open it up, if you don't have any codes in it, it'll just say to, and then it'll go to the next line, it'll say end. And what you want to do is after to, it'll say to. After that, you want to do space and then type what you want to name your program. So here is cool. And then you want to press enter, and you want to tell it what to do. So every different step you want to press enter and go down to the next line. So as you can see, all cool is repeats 10,000 times. You can repeat as many times as you want. It doesn't really need to repeat that long. I just did it because it was just random. And it says FD100 RT120. Now the basic command to make a triangle is FD100 and RT120, and then you want to repeat that 3 times, and that's how you make a basic triangle. Now you can also adjust how far and what the angles are to make different triangles, but that's the basic command. So and then after that you'll have end. So now after you'll say you'll say file, save and exit, and then since you called it cool, you can just type in cool, and then as you can see, it was repeating for a second and then it stopped. It did what you said. Now that's just a basic triangle. I have a fan and far, so these are a little more advanced codes. So CS fan, there's triangles, and the code for that would be clear screen, so you don't have to have that, that's just optional. And then left turn 90 and repeat 5 times, forward 100, right turn 60, and then triangles 2. So also what you can do in here is you can tell it to run another program inside a program. So over here, I don't know if you can see this, let me bring it up. There's triangles 2, that's actually another program, and I'm telling fan a different program to run triangles 2, so you can run programs inside of programs. And it's just telling it to turn and then do a triangle, forward, turn, and that just makes that. And then you can also do far. That's another one I did, and that's the code for that was repeat 9 times, right turn 45 degrees, so half of 90, forward 141, right turn 135 degrees, forward 100, right turn 135 degrees, and then forward 141, and it repeats that 9 times. And basically this is, I'm telling it to go do the triangle, then go over, triangle, over, down, over, and then it keeps on repeating that. And that's what it is. And then if you go to part 2, I'll go into more advanced stuff on Windows MSW logo, and in this video I'll give you a link to download it also if you need. So thanks for watching, and let's go to part 2. Bye.